生息，红旗龙旗上上。Oxy Shred, baby, when this day you gonna sweat, look at this. This is living proof.
Oh, this is so freaking cute, baby.
She is so cute. Look how cute it is, y'all.
Put it there in a muscle, on a muscle, and just move your head. But child, that don't do nothing. OMG, I did that. It's so cute.
You threatened me. All bets are off.
I'm feeling on your booty.
Drop them drones. Okay, y'all, so it is really getting down outside. Look at the patio, a hot mess. It is also lightning right now. Like, look at my little net, y'all. It is officially off. Look at this side. OMG. Ooh, look, I gotta get back. It's becoming real lethal out here. The little tic-tac-toe thing done fell over. Ooh, this is bad weather. I was not prepared for this. I didn't even know it was gonna be like this today. The sun was just shining. What a day, y'all, what a day. So hey y'all, welcome back to another day in my vlogs. First off, y'all, I got me something to take. I'm about to work out. That's why I look like this, okay? I know I always be coming on the camera looking a little put together, but that's okay because this is the real me, okay? It's the real me. But I got me some Oxy Shred. The girlie's been talking about it and I definitely wanted to give it a try. I got the Cosmic Blast. So they say 1 scoop is all you need. Do not exceed over 2 scoops. So with me just starting out, y'all, I'm just gonna do 1 scoop just to see how good this is supposed to make me sweat. So yeah, it's supposed to make you sweat. It's supposed to curb your appetite. You know, the only reason why I'm taking this is because I want my appetite curbed, for sure. So, and make me sweat while I'm working out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this today and give y'all my honest opinion after I'm done, just to see if it has done anything for me. I feel like I be eating and I don't get full, so I don't know. So I use this little cup. I wish I had my little blender, which I need to buy me another one because it does not work anymore. So I just did 1 scoop. It smells good too, y'all. I think this is supposed to be like the strawberry, not the strawberry, but the Starburst. I think I have stirred it up pretty good now. I did pretty good without me having like a little blender. But we're gonna go ahead and drink this. Let me get my straw. I don't think I have to drink all of this, but child, we're gonna drink it, see what it's talking about. Damn. It tastes medicated a little bit, but it tastes a Starburst. It tastes good, y'all. Let me tell y'all what it say on here as far as what it is and stuff, just in case y'all are interested. Oxy Shred is significantly researched through potent thermogenic fat burner. Trusted by millions globally, it will stimulate your body's beta-3 fat receptor cells without placing stress on your heart and blood pressure. Oxy Shred will boost your metabolism to promote and increase level of fat cells breaking down. It will also assist in kick-starting your focus, boosting immunity, providing a natural boost of energy, and enhancing mood and focus. And amazingly delicious taste will keep you smiling all day long. So yeah, that's what it do. It is a fat burner. It also, like I said, I'm really for like the curbing my appetite and making me sweat more so I can lose these pounds, baby. But yeah, so I'm about to chase this down, get ready to go work out. I'm gonna see y'all after I'm done working out to let y'all know how this actually took effect and if it works, okay?
20 minutes later.
Girl, when I say this stuff work, baby, this gonna make you sweat. Sweat, I'm talking about it's dripping down my breast, y'all. My breast. Look how bad this is. The inside of this is so wet. Like, girl, I don't think I ever sweated like this. And then my shirt right here is so wet. Like, girl, this does what it say it's gonna do. It does. I'm not even finished yet. I gotta do like, I bought me a jump rope and I wanna do like some, you know, little jumps or whatnot. But yo, this didn't lie. Look at me. I am like sweaty and I feel so disgusting. But yeah, it's doing what it said it was gonna do. So I'm look, it got me. I'm hooked, okay? I am freaking hooked. So yeah, just coming to give y'all an update. Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. Like, it's going, y'all, when I say I'm sweaty, it's going to the butt. The butt is like dripping. Damn, this some good shit. Oxy Shred, baby, when this day you gonna sweat, look at this. This is living proof. I'm talking about
Sweating like crazy. My breast is wet. The bra is wet. The booty is wet. You want to shed some pounds, baby? You want to break a sweat? You want to curb that appetite? You better get you some. It's a little pricey, but it's worth the shit. I'm finna go do some jump ropes, like I said, and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all after I'm out the shower. But girl, I gotta keep this momentum up, baby. I'm feeling good. Like I can keep going again. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later on, girl. Let me go get my workout on.
Yeah, I just finished this DH Gate haul. I know the last time I posted a DH Gate haul, they put my channel on strike. Like they was not playing with me. They said you are selling, because I actually had the links in the description box. So for y'all who is looking for like the links, they won't be on YouTube, baby. You got to go to my social medias, because I'm not getting striked again, baby. I got one strike. Wasn't even a strike. I think it was a warning. It was a warning, and baby, that's all I needed, because I worked too hard for this channel. But also, y'all, I got a new mic. Tell me if I sound good, y'all, because I only did this for like the sit down videos, and me and Babe got like a series coming out too as well. So we need the mics. So I'm just testing it out for my first video, which I already did. But hopefully I sound good when I edit it and it don't be like muffled. And I don't know. Hopefully it sound good though. But yeah, so I am done, y'all. I'm literally done. I only showed a couple items in that DHK haul. Well, actually I showed a lot. It was mostly shoes in one purse. So I didn't really get into it. Dang, I forgot to show that too. This is my girl. Like vintage, baby. I'm talking about, you can never go wrong with her. Like she just stole the show. Like, yes, baby, yes. I love everything about you, baby. Yes. She is so cute. Look how cute it is, y'all. I didn't even ask for that. That's the purse. Y'all listen, that was the purse the lady was talking about. The I'm gonna threaten you if you don't promote our content. First off, you threatened me. All bets are off. All bets are off.
So y'all, just washed my hair. Did a little hot treatment to it and pinned it up. Look at a mess. But I got these in the mail today. So they are towels, peel and stick, that goes behind, like, you know, go on the wall. Every time we cook, like the oil pops on the white part and it leaves a stain. So it's like staining the wall. So I tried to get it out and y'all, it don't come out. So I was like, you know what, let's just get some towel. And these are so cute. And I feel like it goes great. Very great with the background and the aesthetic that it's giving. So I'm gonna try to put these together. And yeah, I just pray, I hope it comes together. I love decor, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is how it turned out. I think this looks amazing. Like, yes, it gives it more of a color splash, and then it's just like, yeah. So this side over here, y'all, of course, is not done. It looks plain Jane. Don't like it, but I love this side. OMG, I did that. It's so cute. I like it, and I love it. What you think about this? You like it? Okay, girl. The towel is like really sleek. So like if something was to get on it, you can just easily wipe it off with like a little dish rag, wipe, soap and water, and it would still be fine. Like, I love this. I freaking love this. So yeah, I will link where I got these from. I got them from Amazon, but I will link them if you want to, like, you know, touch up your kitchen, whatever the case may be. I think these are great for the kitchen though. I don't, or the shower, however, but this looks so good. So I'm gonna get baby's reaction when he get home to see if he like it. But yeah, girl, I am in love. I am in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and order another one. It come in a pack of 10. So I really won't need all of them on this side, but yeah, we're gonna do this side as well. As you see, I don't know if y'all saw, but like I kept like a little white space in between that. I don't know, on all the sides, it's all even, but I don't think I needed to add the rest of that at the bottom of it. I just feel like it look good as it is. So yeah, pat on my back, I did that now. All right, so we're gonna wait till baby get home to see, you know, how you feeling about it. Look, babe, how you like it?
It's nice, actually.
I told your butt it's gonna be nice. I even took the little plug thingies out and screwed them back in. I gotta get some more though.
We go on that side. It is nice and yeah, good job.
Thanks, babe.
We did
I
it.
wanted to get no. I did it.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Rock it, stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Crank the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2 step. I love it when you 1, 2 step. Everybody 1, 2 step. We this beat is outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made it. So retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, strut my stuff and yes I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys jump on it. No, I can't control myself now. Let me do my 1, 2 step. Rock it, stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Crank the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see 1, 2 step. I love it when you 1, 2 step. Everybody 1, 2 step. We about to get it on. It don't matter to me.
Okay, y'all, so this is the box that I got in the mail yesterday from Unice. We're gonna see what this wig is giving. I'm telling y'all, it's natural. So I think it's already pre-plucked, bleached. And it has like this little drawstring in the back to where you can pull it tighter. But where is my comb? Genesis got my comb. She always be in my room. I know she got it. It's just like if I get up close, y'all can see the texture. Okay, so this is what I got, y'all. Versace Robe, baby. And it is so beautiful. Beautiful, okay? Let me try it on for y'all so y'all can see. It's a little big, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'm not even gonna get mad about it because I'm still wearing it. I'm gonna still wear this. I'm gonna still wear it. Ooh, this is so freaking cute, baby. I don't think y'all understand. Once I go do my hair, finish her up. And that's the back, y'all. So freaking cute. So freaking cute. It's a little big, but I don't even care. I told you I don't care. We're here now. This is me. And I chose this colorful one. Let me get up close so y'all can see. I chose the colorful one because I was like, girl, you know, I'm very colorful. I'm that girl. And they do have red, black. I think they have all pink. Yeah, they got all pink. And then I gotta get started on these hauls for next week. Temu again. They done sent me some more clothes. So yeah, let's get ready for a girl in her 30s because I'm gonna need me a glass of wine. I do need a glass of wine like ASAP. I just finished this series for a girl in her 30s, y'all. And I'm trying to get this hair out my face because yeah, I don't like it too much in my face. But I'm about to go shower eventually. Probably edit these TikTok videos and then go shower. But I want to come and talk to y'all for a second. I just found out a perfect Easter dress. So this year, I don't know what it is about Easter, but I just don't like going to find the Easter clothes. Like I don't like going to find outfits in general. I don't know what it is. I just like for it to already be at my house. I like to shop online. I found this dress right here. And I think I want to wear it for Easter because baby, he wearing like a blue and white plaited top. And only person left is Genesis. So I'm gonna go to Target to see if I can find her something at Target. Because I don't think G is in the era to continue to wear those big dresses with the little heels and stuff. A couple of slides. Yeah, I feel like she is more so in the era of wearing like a little dress, little simple dress and some slides. And yeah, some sandals or something. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna go get her. I don't know yet though. Yeah, that's definitely what I'm gonna go get her. I'm not getting her no big dress. Cause I'm gonna come back with that big dress. She gonna be looking at me like, Ma, I don't like that. I'm like, oh well. But yeah, y'all, I was drinking this in my series that I just recorded, episode 2 of a girl in her 30s. So good. I don't know if y'all have been a true fan of me or just been watching me for the longest. You ain't gotta be a fan, but just been watching me for the longest. I was drinking this back then, y'all, like on my YouTube. We was tearing this up. I would say this was like probably in 2019, 2020. Me and my homegirl Jalecia, we used to tear this mess up. Her mama actually put me on. When I say it's so good, baby, look at my glass. Empty. So I'm a little tipsy right now. Look at this towel. Like, look at the little peel and stick things. Like, it looks so good in the kitchen. I'm so proud of myself. When I say, listen, I've been trying to tell Bae and Genesis, like, I'm just that girl. Like, they be like, well, how you thought of that? Bae was like, he didn't see the vision. He didn't see the vision at all. I said because I'm just that girl. See, when I put stuff together and I do it, I like, honestly, decor is my thing. Yeah, I think I'm a decor girly. Like anything with decor, I love to just do it up. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get started on editing. Well, take a shower, take this makeup off, because I'm tired of it already. I don't even know why I didn't take these off and leave them in the room. I like to be barefaced. I don't know if y'all know that. It might not come off that way because I'm always, like when y'all see me, I'm always dolled up sometimes. But I only do that for a reason.
I know that. It's a shoe.
Because I had them. I got them.
It's a shoe. Why would you
You can put stuff in there.
put my money in there?
Bruh.
Who gonna look at my shoestrings
I got 2 of them.
for a shoe? For money.
And yeah, got the teeth clean. I got some stuff in physical therapy. Let me show you what I got. So they gave me this. I don't even know what this is called. Theracane. So y'all know, if y'all don't know, now you know. I be having like issues up in my neck area and like my shoulder, and it be hurting like from time to time, like every day, honestly. So she said take it like this, grab this part and this part. Let me see if I'm gonna turn around, and just like put it there in a muscle, on a muscle, and just move your head. But y'all, that don't do nothing. I use this to scratch my back. It don't do nothing. But I like that. They gave me that, and they also gave me a heating pad for free. All this was free. From the VA. From my VA appointment. But yeah, so that's that. We got some lotion and more lotion. Y'all know EOS is a thing in the house. I also have gotten these for my friends. I think they'll love these. What?
Who's your friend?
I was being funny. I was waiting for you to say something. These are yours.
Oh.
You wear those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All 3 of them?
There's 3 of them.
That's good, because I have 3 necklaces.
Perfect. And yeah, got me some gum, child. And I also got some batteries because we be needing them around here. So I got you 2 dresses. So this matches Jimmy's shirt. But this is the color we all are wearing, which is both of the colors.
I'm not playing outside today, bro. Please don't go.
I'm gonna say you sleep. Oh, you can go out there? You don't want to? What you want me to tell them?
Let me just go.
Y'all, let's see who at the door.
I'm gonna come get the mango.
Hi.
Can she come outside?
Yeah, she can come outside.
When she's here, she can come outside.
Tell them I'm gonna come outside when I'm done eating.
She gonna come out when she done eating, okay?
Alright.
I want a little boy. No, I don't. I don't want a little boy. Anyways, yeah, you need to try these on really quick. Oh, let me show y'all. So this is one of the dresses that I picked out at Target. Got like a little lemons on it. It's a little short. Not really. Not really. And then she got this. What is this? A jumpsuit?
Yeah, I like that one.
I like this one too.
I like both of them.
I got her this one. It's kind of like plaid, and it's pants. Oh, why did I get you pants? I was not thinking.
What do I need pants for?
I want to see you try it on. Because you know you like church, you gonna wear pants. I figured you would like something like this. Y'all, she real. Okay, I got a little butt right there, child. I thought this was really cute for Easter. She just growing. You got so much length.
Yeah, I'm so tall. My hair gonna be done.
Hopefully, she ain't rubbing back. I'm late to the party.
Behind, a lot of shots.
Hey, be careful. Make sure it's in the middle.
No, don't pull it down. Spread it out.
Ain't no thick hand.
That look way better. You want me to cut some of the edge off?
I don't know. Wait, is that gonna look right? It's gonna look like this.
No, it ain't.
Why did you tuck it in?
That don't look right.
Okay, we'll cut it. But you getting sizzle happy. I'm saying, this is what it looked like, y'all. But I could just tuck it in. What you mean, don't look right? You can tell?
Yeah, you can tell it tucked in.
Well, come on, cut the little corners. Don't go too crazy.
Stop, don't do that.
Do what? Don't touch it. Ooh. So handsome, yeah. Look good, and I like it.
Don't move.
G started singing it. Ooh, it's on my neck.
See what I'm saying?
What? What the hell?
Now we gotta do this.
It look like a crossword puzzle.
Struggled a little bit offensively in the fourth quarter of that game, but I thought his size and presence in the paint,
Trying to cut my earring.
this big, was so important to allow Jared Jackson Jr. to be defensively.
You keep.
Coochie light. He said coochie light. Man, what is it? You cut it crooked.
I did.
Look what that be. You did that. You cut your shirt, babe.
I don't give a damn.
This look pretty.
No, it's not. Nigga, it crazy as hell. Yeah, man. Another day. Another fit. Another dollar, man. Face a little oily, but skincare immaculate.
You look good, babe.
Ain't
Can I get
yeah.
like a slice before we go?
No.
About to head out. It's a Friday night, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking right on a tight. My man dressed me tonight. Yeah. I did like a little black and red
Personal stylist.
lip combo.
This was crazy.
You my personal stylist. Yeah. Coochie light. What do you say? Hey, put me one. Oh.
What I gotta pull up just to find that?
Type in Chinese song. On the vlog tonight. You know. That's it. Coochie light. What's up about that? What he said though? Coochie light. Coochie light. He said coochie light.
He wants some coochie tonight. He's saying coochie tonight.
Oh, coochie tonight.
Yeah.
No, he didn't. We don't even know what he's saying.
He said coochie night. Yeah, what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Coochie night. Coochie tonight.
Why you didn't say tonight? Coochie tonight. It's time to shine.
He said if you don't give me no coochie tonight, you feel me?
I'm gonna beat your eyes. Uh-huh. That's what it said.
Getting drunk and feeling on your booty.
Drop them drones. Get your ass in this bed.